A critter got into our trash. From the two, the skeletons are now kind of splayed out all in the back of our truck. I feel like we have had better luck than we should have had.
The food that's about to happen kind of take up all the space, like it is right now. So it's cleaning day to day.
Hold on.
Oh, wait a minute.
And Brian's putting the cart before the horse.
Oh, I'm so amazed at what's happening. I have no idea what's happening. But sometimes this is breakfast when you're on the road. It's just hiding, uploading your next YouTube video. Nope.
No. Try to film the helicopter. My shoes are wet. I'm eating papaya. I will get the shot though. Never mind, I'm way up there. There's some rain over there though. We might be getting some rain soon too. If you've been following our camping journey lately, you know it's been a lot. We've had to make some heavy calls about our RV travel plans for the year, and honestly, just figuring out how to survive these record heat waves was a full-time job. Then, you layer on the actual drama, like that freaking brush fire that had us both on edge for a couple of days. So we've made a decision. It's time to tone it way down. Our goal for the next little while is to try to just be disgustingly bored. Hopefully. Good, I have something to tell you. A critter got into our trash.
Yeah, that doesn't surprise me.
Yeah, so it's all over the chair. Just gotta clean it up, and there's a little mess back there. But it was the chicken carcass from the two rotisserie chickens from Costco that I shredded off the carcass. The skeletons are now kind of splayed out all in the back of our truck. No big thing. I mean, we've had trash in the back of our truck quite a few times, and we haven't had animals get into it too much. So I feel like we have had better luck than we should have had.
We've been taking it easy the last couple days. Now that we're here, settled in our wonderful river spot. But sometimes when you're living in a small world like an RV, you just kind of set something down, then you set another thing down, and then another thing down. Pretty soon, all your chores and your groceries and your dishes and the food that's about to happen kind of take up all the space, like it is right now. So it's cleaning day to day.
Hold on.
Oh, wait a minute.
I need to point something out. And Brian's putting the cart before the horse. Let me dig out Exhibit A. He just put away the Ninja cooker.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so amazed at what's happening. I have no idea what's happening. Oops.
These are the pinto beans I was soaking for refried beans to go with the pulled pork that you made. You're very sweet.
I thought it was just sitting there this morning.
And I have the lard and stuff from the pulled pork to make them, and Brian's just like, I'm gonna be so helpful. I appreciate it.
You know, you wake up with those. I woke up this morning and I'm like, yeah, we're going to clean this place. And I was so pumped. So I just kind of started picking things up a little here, a little there. And obviously there's two game plans going on, and we need to sync our little robot minds.
And I've been forgetting so many things lately too. Like, there's just been a lot going on.
There's a fire over there.
Okay, all right. And I never forget about food. I never let anything go bad, but I let some English breakfast beans and tomatoes go bad.
Oh, that's right.
Just to show how kind of frazzled we are right now.
Yeah.
I don't let food go bad, and I let food go bad. So.
If I could do something different in here, the pantry window on the inside, this would make a perfect spot for a whiteboard.
Oh, I thought you were going to say something else. Spice rack. Or like little shelves that are just like 3 inches for all your little boop-a-doops.
We have different plans, but
Are we gonna buy whiteboard
because you
material?
don't have very much distance here, so. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if you could buy like whiteboard material and then just kind of cut it out and put it in there or something like that. The other thing that's interesting is that there's an inside door handle.
For the potatoes when they get scared. I never noticed that before. Why is there an indoor handle?
In case somebody gets trapped inside.
Sorry, I was legitimately flustered by that.
Which, we could take it off, both, but it doesn't affect us either way.
But that's silly because if something were to move or reposition, as they do all the time in RVs, and then that gets stuck under the handle, then you can't open this up.
I don't know, man. You know how they design these things. Yeah, back to breakfast and cleaning.
And making beans.
Oh, and making beans.
Then the wind said no. Do you want help?
So we're enjoying ourselves this morning as the sudden 30-mile-an-hour winds hit us for the afternoon and lock us inside, which we're familiar with. We've done some other hiding from the winds. It's pretty crazy outside. Like, there's a huge dust storm going off behind me. But sometimes this is breakfast when you're on the road. It's just hiding, uploading your next YouTube video, hoping your girlfriend gets dressed before the camera comes out.
The funniest part about this crazy wind dust storm is that we just cleaned the whole RV yesterday.
Yeah, that's nice.
It is so windy and dusty that you can just see funnels going straight up of dust in the sky. It's not just a haze. Tubes of dirt. I don't know what they are. Updrafts. I don't know what it is. This is the first time I've seen it. I don't know what to call it, man. It's freaking crazy.
We had a little animal friend get into the back of our truck and open up our trash. It happens. That's the one thing with RVs is there doesn't seem to be a place to keep your old trash that's going to stink if you're hanging out at a place for a couple days. So I did something kind of fun and tied the bag of trash on top of the fifth wheel hitch in the front of the trailer, which kind of inspired me to maybe make a weird trash holding contraption that mounts to that hitch when there's no truck on there.
I made the prototype at a bamboo the other day.
Needs a little work, but it was a valiant try.
It entertained me for a couple hours while I was unsupervised. But let us know what you guys do with your trash if you're in a motorhome or a fifth wheel or similar situation. So, how are the pancakes? Is it not too burnt?
They're delicious.
Oh, awesome. We're going for a walk, not taking pictures. Jeez. Let's get going already.
You see a monster?
I hear critters. I just don't want to mess up.
We've been on a walk for 20 minutes and it's taken us that long to go 50 feet.
Ow!
Come on.
I got a big worm. It's in my toes. Ah! Alright, I'm already injured. Let's go. Nothing exercises your heart and gives you some good cardio like pain. That's what you're talking about. The lagoon.
The lagoon.
I have no idea what you mean. Smells like lagoon.
We haven't explored yet. And tonight now that the weather's calmed down and the temperature is just perfect, we decided to go for a walk, and we found another little inlet like we've been staying by.
Oh, beans!
Did you guys see this? She literally went from one side of the road to the other.
I got 2 beans!
To check out beans. Beautiful water. Oh look, beans on a tree. There's the post where we came from. This is the road we're trying to get down. You gotta love this.
I just enjoy all those little things in life, okay?
I love it. Our spot is so freaking perfect. We just walked down the boat ramp to get in the water. And some of these spots give you a little bit more shade maybe, or good spots, but you have to walk down a hill to try and get into the water, and the Colorado River has got a pretty good current to it. So by the time you get in it and swim out 5 feet and come back, you're 20 feet down the river.
Yeah.
Whereas we don't have any current whatsoever,
But it's,
except for when the wind blows.
and our area is close enough to the mouth of the river to where it's fresh water. It's not that stagnant, mosquito-infested, nasty ick water. So there's enough movement where it's a bit safer.
There is one thing about the river is there are bugs. Not mosquitoes necessarily. There's just a bunch of gnats. And right about now, with the sun going down, it's time to head back to the trailer as soon as I get a picker out from between my toes.
Oh.
Are you ready?
Am I ever?
Because I'm ready. I got my custom pizza box hat to help keep the shade over my body. Don't want to torch this beautiful skin. It's a beautiful day. The heat has come back. The water is cold. And I don't know if you've ever been in the Colorado River, but you got to have the heat in the air to get in the water because the water is that cold.
Cold is the best motivation to keep warm.
Yeah, I'm still a chicken. Takes me like 10 minutes to get up to that belly button line. But it is nice out here. Especially after the few weeks that we've had.
Whoa. Dragonfly just zoomed 1 inch in front of my face. Ooh.
You gotta love those hooves. Ooh.
Ooh, Peter, my.
Well, I gotta say that this spot is one of my favorite spots that we've ever been.
Yeah.
The temperature is right. You got a nice cold body of water. It's absolutely beautiful around here. My pizza hat won't stay on. I'm gonna have to work on the design. I'm gonna have to talk to my designer a little bit. But it is gorgeous. It's quiet. There's neighbors that like to rock out a little bit. We actually like their music, so it's okay, I guess.
And they turn it off after dinner time. And there's so much nature here too. Almost every morning, there are 2 quails that come along and just do their thing that we watch. Middle of the day, there are a ton of birds of prey cruising around, and other birds, dragonflies, up the wazoo everywhere.
Wazoo. That's a good word.
And then at night, we hear an owl that's not too far just hooting as we're just watching our show before bed. There's so many critters around here. Oh, and all the fish. Giant fish we hear flopping in the water, and we've heard of a bunch of people getting fish too, so not much appreciative of the little critter that got into our trash, but that's okay.
My hat. Another one of the really pretty and cool things that's right around here. There's a little bamboo cave that you can kind of hang out in. Give you some shade and still get a view of the water. So there's another one right over here too that's even better. I told Katie this would be the perfect spot for a margarita, but we quit drinking this month and are eating healthy to go along with it for the month. It's kind of a sin, but that's the way we're rolling right now.
We choose to live deliciously.
We figured that we're going to stay here till our tanks are completely full, and we have no other choice than to move on. We're usually tapped out at about 14, but I'm going to guess that we could probably get 18 here with, you know, bathing in the river. If we could do 18 days, I think that'd be our record. Are you done?
I'm tired now.
I only saw like 2 laps.
You go so fast, I need to run. You got plenty of room if you need it. 4-wheel drive, you got this.
Hope everybody's okay.
So you might notice that we aren't at the river anymore, and we have more big changes coming up. Yes, even more that we didn't tell you about. So make sure you like and subscribe to figure out what the hell we're doing next.